In this video I talk with you about why you should use Tawk.to, or if you should use Tawk.to. You know, the basic communication between you and the student is over Zoom. This is a good basic because this establishes a personal relationship between you and the student. The problem is, we and you don't know how many students will visit your booth. A relatively small number of students you can handle directly in your Zoom meeting. But if many students visit your booth, you will run into a problem. At this point, Tawk.to can help gathering the requests. So in general, you have three options. Disable the chat completely. Remove the chat code in the settings of your booth. Or you enable the chat. It is by default enabled, but nobody from your team is logged on to the Tawk.to system. In this case, you get an email for every request, for every question of the students, and you can check these emails the other day and answer. The third option is you enable chat and somebody from your team is logged on. The person can make appointments for example, for the next day. So, and we recommend that the specific consultants are in the Zoom sessions, and maybe a more general person, maybe a student or two students or three students, are available for making the appointments in the chat system. Now we have a look at the principal structure. On the booth, if you have activated the chat system, you find this button here, and pressing it, a chat client will open. The chat client writes to the Tawk.to system, and you may be logged on and answer on the web page directly, or you have a mobile app from these platforms and you can directly answer. So it's easy to bring additional people into the chat. Maybe you have students not being at home and you ask them quickly to participate because it's easy on the app to participate. So far, the basic structure.